Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'm here to help guide you through the Autism Spectrum Screening Questionnaire. What is an Autism Spectrum Screening Questionnaire? Understanding autism spectrum disorders in children and adolescents can be challenging. The Autism Spectrum Screening Questionnaire, or the ASSQ, is an essential guide in navigating this journey for those who have autism or are suspecting its presence. Whether you're a parent, teacher, or healthcare provider, this guide will help you effectively use the questionnaire to identify autism symptoms, contributing to a better understanding and management of the individual's unique needs. You can provide accurate diagnoses and develop more positive mental health. The ASSQ comprises 27 items that parents, teachers, or other caregivers can complete based on their observations of the child's behaviour. It helps identify areas of concern related to social interaction, communication, routines, interests, and other behaviours that may suggest ASD. The results guide whether a comprehensive diagnostic assessment might be necessary. As a result, it's commonly used by teachers, parents, and caregivers. How to use an autism spectrum screening questionnaire. The first step is to fill in the name and date and then read the instructions. You'll then need to rate each statement accordingly. The final step is to incorporate the answers within treatment for effective interventions. To view a sample form of the Autism Screening Questionnaire, head on over to carepatron.com where you can download and access the questionnaire for free. You can also access the questionnaire through the Carepatron community platform. Type in the keywords to find the node and then edit however you would like. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to Carepatron to view more healthcare related videos.